Hello everyone, hope you are all well. Welcome to TCF. This is my channel. You all will see this, the corporate flow. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, so these all are the videos related to TCS and our hiring, new hiring for all the freshers and for the experience also. So okay, so I am starting the video of today. So in today's video, I am going to explain you about the details of non-criminal affidavit, that what we have to fill inside the non-criminal affidavit, and also show you the details what of my criminal affidavit. The first thing, you have to get that notarized on the 100 stamp paper. The first page you have to go there. You have to go at the Tehsil, and from there you will find that these first page should be typed by the typewriter, and after that it will be on the 100 paper stamp. So the first thing, you have to write your name here. Whereas I, what is your name? An adult of Indian inhabitant residing at your address. Your address should be there, and have selected by Tata Consultancy Services for employment as your profile on which you selected either as an assistant engineer or as assistant system engineer training whatsoever is, you have to write it here. Okay, and your offer letter dated on which you received the offer letter. Okay, you will find that in your mail ID, or the date on which your offer letter will be released, you will have to note here. Okay, so all these things you are not available to fill these two things. Okay, after that you will find these two witnesses. So the second step is the witnesses. Second page, witness is very important. You have to, on in the witness, wherever I have put myself and signature of this understanding on this day. Yeah, here you have to write the day on which you signing this, and the month on which you sign. Okay, day and month. Signature of the candidate. Here the candidate signature, your signature should be there, and the name of the candidate, your name should be there. TCS offer reference number, DTCT reference number, you should be there. Place where you are signing and going for the your non-criminal affidavit, you will place here your, and the date on which you are signing this and making this non-criminal affidavit. Okay, so here are these two witnesses provided for you. It should not be your family members, it should be from something that from your nearby areas, or which those who know you. Okay, so the signature, your signature of the witnesses, first thing, the signature of the witness should be there, name of the witness, after the address of the witness, and the place and date. Okay, and the witness too should be also there, and the signature, name, address, place and date should be there of the signature. Okay, and your sign should be there at the bottom of both the pages. And after notarizing, notarize, you should also stamp on both the pages if possible. From you should have to, okay, have a stamp on both the pages. Now I will show you the details. Now I will show you my affidavit. So this is my affidavit. You have seen that this is there is a notary of 100 rupees stamp, and you have to, this is a name where all the fields are required, and this is a notary stamp by the government of India, that the Tahsildar. Okay, after that, this is the page where second stamp is written. You also see that the page, on the second page you will find the stamp. Okay, and here is this on which this all things are done by the advocate, on from them you are going for the approval. Okay, after that you will find that your name, all the things will be written, and your affidavit, your advocate will sign here, and the authorized people will also sign here, and all these things you can see the demo in my. And you will find that on the bottom of the page you have to sign by on both the pages. Okay, so this is all for today's video. If you want this, please comment below. I will also provide this non-criminal affidavit PDF with you, so that you can easily create the non-criminal affidavit. Okay, so this is all for today videos. If you like, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Take care. Thank you.